Colder than heck out. I'm out now. Yep. I'm up in Antarctica. South of Indiana. Well, I'm out. I'm going to take a small video. Then I'm going to do the snow. Hopefully I can do it without freezing up. My ski mask on right now. Kind of hard to talk. I'm taking a little video. Blizzard warning part 2. Yep. Part 2. Check it out, everybody. This isn't lake effect yet. Lake effect's supposed to set in maybe later today and last to Saturday night. Total amount of accumulation 10 to 12 inches plus or minus. Check it out, everybody. Subscribe to my YouTube channel or anything about YouTube. Put down a like, put down a comment. You don't see things like this much on YouTube. So appreciate it. Appreciate it. Give me a like. Yeah, it's not very nice out. No weather for beast or man. Wind's really picking up. It's going to shift over to Lake Michigan. That's when the lake effect's going to set in. Yep, it's gonna. I'm a dang fool being out in this weather. Yep. Another video, another fast-paced action video. A lot of white. Yep, a lot of white. Blizzard warning until tomorrow afternoon. My game plan here is do the front snow, the blower. Got a new cover on my Trans Am. I've had that cover for like 3 years. I finally put it on the car. The TA. Looks good too, you know. Looks really good. Let's take a gander towards the back of the house there. Oh, I need some music playing, Joy and Roy. You know what? Liven up the video. Pretty out, but very cold though, you know. Very deceiving. Wind chills well below, probably well below minus 30. Temperature is probably about minus 8 right now. I haven't checked for a while. Right in that vicinity. Well, the kids were complaining no snow for Christmas. Well, they got their wish, didn't they? And then some. But make sure you got your animals in the house. And watch out for the elderly neighbors. Check on your neighbors. Check on the animals. Make sure there's no animals out in this weather. They won't last too long. If you have older neighbors live next door to you, call them up or go to their house and make sure they're doing okay, everybody. Time of year to love each other, you know? Christmas time. Too bad it can't be this way all year round, huh? Well, I'm about ready to hang it up. I'm going to start doing snow. So you guys, like I said before, wishing you guys a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Stay warm. Hope nobody loses their electric. And just stay warm, okay? Long holiday weekend. That's for sure. Okay, guys, take care until the next one. I'll be seeing you. Bye. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.